from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Charges dropped in the Irvo Otieno case. We'll tell you about that story and others in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Tuesday, May 7th, 2024, and it's brought to you today by Forward Foundation.
And now for the news.
Dinwiddie County Commonwealth's attorney Amanda Mann has essentially dropped charges against 5 of the 8 people arrested in connection with the in-custody death of Irvo Otieno. The 5 Henrico Sheriff's deputies previously were charged with second-degree murder in connection with Otieno's March 2023 death, which occurred while he was in custody at Central State Hospital after being transported there from the Henrico jail while experiencing a mental health crisis. The 5 Henrico deputies and 5 other people, including hospital workers, were originally indicted on second-degree murder charges by Mann's predecessor. According to documents obtained by our partners at WTVR TV6, Mann said she made her decision after the court's refusal to allow her to reschedule the order of trials, which had been set by an interim Commonwealth's attorney. Channel 6 reports that the charges could technically be revisited in the future. Sports tourism is on the rise in Henrico County and also in Virginia as a whole. The state has been ranked 10th nationally on a sports ETA list of top U.S. states for the economic impact of sports tourism. The report found that sports tourism throughout the country contributed a total of $128 billion to the economy, with Virginia generating about $2.7 billion of that amount. In Henrico, officials have made attracting sports tourism revenue a focal point for a number of years. Outdoor sports tourism in the county generated about $65 million in economic impact last year, according to the Henrico Economic Development Authority. The recent opening of the Henrico Sports and Events Center in Glen Allen has given the county a prominent indoor space to attract a plethora of additional events. New multi-state settlement with opioid manufacturer Amneal Pharmaceuticals could total $92.5 million in cash payments and $180 million in naloxone nasal spray to combat opioid overdoses. The agreement was announced yesterday. In principle, it would resolve claims that the company failed to monitor and report suspicious orders placed by its customers as required by federal law. That's according to the Office of Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares, who was among the group of 6 attorneys general who negotiated the settlement. Sports backers in the Richmond Times-Dispatch recently honored 19 high school seniors, including 6 from Henrico, for their participation in the Active Living Leadership All-Stars program, which offers them the opportunity to participate in volunteer opportunities, collaborate with others, and take part in leadership development activities. Everyone who completed the program earned a $2,500 scholarship. Henrico student Ellie Wood of Freeman High School also was selected as one of the 2 MVPs from the group and received an additional $4,000 scholarship. Bree Robinson of Hermitage High School earned the Community Impact Award and received an additional $2,500 scholarship, and Lily Ritchie of Deep Run earned the Team Player Award and another $2,500 scholarship as well. VDOT wants your input on plans for the transportation network in the West Creek area near the Henrico-Goochland line. The West Creek Area Transportation Access Plan study is focused on the area bounded by I-64 to the north, West Creek Parkway to the south, Route 623 to the west, and the Henrico-Goochland line to the east. It's part of a larger effort to develop solutions to improve the overall transportation system while considering the needs of pedestrians, cyclists, and public transit users. The agency yesterday launched an online survey to get feedback from residents and travelers. It'll be open for 2 weeks through May 20th. You can find a link to that survey right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, by looking for this article. Are you a working single parent in the midst of a financial crisis, or maybe know someone who is? Forward Foundation wants to help. Forward Foundation is a nonprofit dedicated to helping single parents who have children under the age of 12 and need child care but who are ineligible for Department of Social Services assistance because of income levels. Learn more at forwardfoundationva.org or by calling 804-840-8687. Forward Foundation, empowering action to move forward.